Hey, what's up there? Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just going to go over my trade of the day and just the overview of the day and what to expect tomorrow. Energy plays had a little bit of momentum early on, but now they're all pretty much shitting the bed. Is this one? No, this is a pharmaceutical. This is a different one. Pharmaceutical play taking off here. Just a busy day. So many spikers offering at least 20%. Uh, there was Mullen in the morning if you're quick enough to capture this from the 122 previous high daybreak out of my watch list into the 140s, high 130s. Solid quick 10% within a couple minutes. Husa, here we are failing. Now we're just going to be waiting for them to fade. Once they fail to break down, we're going to capture that multi-day bounce, all of these. There's going to be plenty within the coming days of that pattern. I'll just call it the bouncing ball pattern, multi-day bounce, whatever you want, whatever makes it easier to understand. We're just looking for shorts to cover their position from being up, since now they're way off the highs, and we're just going to look for them or look for that spike of short covering, profit taking. Um, yeah, talk about it constantly. We get those plays a few times a month, but we're going to have plenty this time around with a lot of these spikers taken off. So just got to be patient. If you miss one, there's going to be another one around. Let me get into usage was another one. Great gap up, insane play, just took off. Continued momentum. Could have been a great overnight play. 100% run. Um, just incredible. Same with what was it? ENSV. A little weird pre-market here, but ended up going on a grind and taking off, being up about 150% on the day or so. More than that, maybe. I forgot, but just incredible. Nine, I don't know if I went over this. Oh, I did yesterday. Took off after hours. Couldn't do much more today, showing signs of weakness. Energies, from what the 150s up to the 8ish area. It's going to need some pullback. Um, so now we're just going to wait, like I've been saying, for these multi-day bounces to happen. Today, my trade was Pola. Took a quick snipe on this. Industrials were, I wouldn't say hot, but there's a few up on the top percent gainers, or at least my scanners here. So I was looking at this, holding previous high at daybreak. I did come in a little late. I missed that complete. The first spike took off, was quite disappointing. Um, yeah, but then here I saw that it failed to break down. It was holding up. A little bit of volume started to perk back, bring it back to the low sixes, high fives here. So took a quick snipe at it from 593, and as it was spiking, I just took off. And once I saw 60 cents, I got out. So that was a quick $300, 500 shares, all in this 2-3 minute spike. Not the most ideal play, but it was there. Quick short squeeze, not enough volume as compared to the morning, just showing some weakness, a little fake out. You can get a lower high. Um, yeah, just totally showing the weakness in the momentum, no volume, and we start cracking the lows here, and it ends up going red. So that was actually incredible. So this thing could potentially be another bounce play as well. Uh, so many plays. MXC, this one gapped up nicely, retesting, tried to retest the 40s here, but not quite. And now we have a solid red day going roughly 200% or so. So I'll be looking for a multi-day bounce on this. So there's plenty. I'll release my video lesson, or not my video lesson, my watch list later on Twitter. So you could keep an eye out for that, for all of these plays that I'm waiting for. Besides that, right now, I think I'm done for the day. There really isn't much. Oh, TMC, that one was extremely disappointing. Was one of my main watches in the morning and just totally missed it. Was looking for an open price play or a pre-market high break. Here we get the confirmation of the open price as it fails to break down and starts coming back, reclaiming VWAP. Volume starts coming in. Just a solid nearly dollar share on this move here. So did not emphasize at all with this couple days of market action. Was not thinking bigger picture since Friday. Just taking my quick snipes. Did not adapt to what the market was offering. Still made good money nonetheless, but you know, could have really emphasized on what's been going on, and that's why I'm really excited for the multi-day bounces to really capture those. Besides that, we'll just keep this nice and short. Looks like some of the energy plays are kind of dying down. The leader Indo looks to be done. Volume is nowhere to be found, and it's down 30% on the day now. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, what is offered, any other plays. But for now, I'm really going to be just like a hawk watching multi-day bounces. Any failure to break down, shorts could really get squeezed. A lot of these are low float as well. So got plenty of video lessons going over multi-day bounces from the past. So you go over those, study those, see how I'm looking at them, the way I'm approaching them. There was one yesterday. We'll just go over that one more time. Mullen, uh, today having that continuation as it held up into the close and whatnot. But you're just looking for a momentum shift. All this time since this stock has been fading, as you can see, I was saying it's below VWAP, except for this day. It was really starting to come back, and there was more buying going on. As you can see, every morning, just the volume getting weaker and weaker, and just continues throughout the day. We get a failure to continue lower here. We can see it pre-market, and it starts getting some action pre-market. And then right at the open, some stronger volume comes up, holding VWAP. That's definitely a change of what it's been experiencing the past couple days. So, was just waiting for shorts to cover and some dip buyers to come in. I definitely sold way too soon, taking it from 78.7876 to 0.89. As you can see, it really took off. It was a little choppy and slow, but opportunity excuse me, opportunity was there. So we'll just wrap this up. Go study, enjoy the rest of the day, enjoy your profits. Longs and shorts should be making money. It's kind of nice to see. So yeah, just wrap this up, and I'll drop a watch list on Twitter, and we'll be back tomorrow with some more lessons.